We went to the Caroline Lip Trip lunch at Bake Studio, and besh, everything was giving static party watery overload. And guess who else showed up? Bella Fox, Denise, Julia, and lineup of top tier influencer. It feels like a reunion of Gen Z It Girls. Okay, I know late ko na to na post kasi hinahanap ko kasi yung full clips. The theme? Black, blue, and drip realness. Literal na dripping this style. And I had the bangs that night kaya hindi agad ako na-recognize like new hair, new vibes. And yes, they officially launched 18 gorgeous lip drip shades, all with ultra hydrating formula. But wait, before all that, look at the swimming pool area. Here's a photo snap wall, the giant lip drip tint prop, and the cutest merch corner ever. From customizable tote bags, stickers, to DIY keychain, ang saya mag-design. Of course, my favorite part, the food and drinks. They even had lunar coffee, pero I am craving for fruits that day. And guys, from all 18 shade, ito talaga yung napaulit-ulit ako. The clear glaze tint. It smells like coffee, but it feels like glass on your skin. I'm still gatekeeping this shade hanggang ngayon.